Now we're on another angle of the mountains, the waterfall. Well, I want to take this video right now. See? This is beautiful.
It is. It's like so beautiful.
It's a stroke of water. It's like beautiful. I love this place. What is it? I'm not done yet.
Okay.
But this looks beautiful. The water is so fascinating.
I wonder how those people got down there.
What? They can get down there? I don't know. It might be kind of tough. Well, do you think we should?
We probably should. They're probably running in the yard.
Oh well. I guess this was a pretty great waterfall after all. Okay, I'll be right there. Well, this was pretty well. It was well lasted.